For today, we will discuss about the partitions at the hardest, because in last class we have seen that there is some tracks and sectors at the plateau of the hard disk, and by using those tracks and sectors we can store data on a hard disk, right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means the storage capacity of our hard disk is divided into tracks and sectors, and by using these tracks and sectors we can create multiple drives or partitions at our hard disk. For example, as you see when you just open your my computer or computer or my PC, in that case you see multiple drives are available, commonly 2-3 drives, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
C drive, D drive, E drive. Fine. Now, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look, commonly our hard disks is treated as a basic disk or dynamic disk in our computer. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चीजों को समझना है गौर से कि हम अपने हार्ड डिस्क को एज अ बेसिक डिस्क, एज अ डायनेमिक डिस्क के नाम से जानते हैं. Have you seen your hard disk partitions in your own computer with the help of disk management?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next part.
Okay, fine. तो डिस्क मैनेजमेंट पे जब आपने देखा तो आपको आपके हार्ड डिस्क का क्या टाइप नजर आया?
What, sir?
जो हार्ड डिस्क का जो टाइप है वो क्या नजर आया आपको?
Tata.
नहीं, हार्ड डिस्क मैनेजमेंट में तो ये कभी देख ही नहीं सकते हैं कि वो पाटा है कि साटा है.
इतने ध्यान से सर
Clear
नहीं
कीजिए.
कोई नहीं, जस्ट see, this is my computer's hard disk. Now, how many hard disks are there?
Single hard disk, but partition are there.
My dear friend, I request to all of you, please mute yourself whenever you have to give answer. You can just unmute yourself and answer. Okay. Yes. Yes, somebody was saying something. Serial number 6.
Yes, sir.
You would like to say something?
Yes, sir. On it, disk is there is partition of that disk.
These are the partitions. Fine. These are the partitions. And you can. Yes, this one is a partition. This one is a partition. This one is a partition. But see the first part of your hard disk, there is a disk 0. It shows that my computer has only one hard disk.
Yes,
and the type of this hard disk is basic, BASIC, basic. Okay.
Okay.
And these are the partitions that are available at my hard disk. And you can see here, approx 10 GB free space is present. Available?
No, sir.
10 GB के आसपास स्पेस अवेलेबल है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unallocated space.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is the basic test, but we can convert it into a dynamic test. Right? Just see, I have just right clicked on this disk 0, and then I am getting option convert to dynamic disk. Right? Convert to dynamic disk. So with the help of this option, we can convert it from basic to dynamic. But what is basic and what is dynamic? Okay. हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
क्लियर है बच्चे, मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ या क्या बताने जा रहा हूँ आपको?
Yes, sir. All clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, at this hard disk, we can create partitions, but the type of partition is defined as per the type of disk, means as a basic disk or dynamic disk. If our disk is basic, in that case, we can create few primary partitions and few logical drives. Now, बेसिक डिस्क, इस पे जो भी हम वॉल्यूम या पार्टीशंस क्रिएट करेंगे वो क्या होगा? प्राइमरी पार्टीशन कैन बी क्रिएटेड, मैक्सिमम 4 प्राइमरी पार्टीशंस कैन बी क्रिएटेड. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 4 प्राइमरी पार्टीशंस हम बना सकते हैं. एंड इन केस इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग 4 primary partitions, in that case no more partitions can be created at your hard disk. आपके हार्ड डिस्क पे और ज्यादा पार्टीशंस नहीं बन सकते. But if you will create maximum 3 or 1 primary partition, in that case you can create 1 extended partitions by using all unallocated space at your hard disk. आपके हार्ड डिस्क पे जितने भी अनअलोकेटेड स्पेस हैं उन सब का इस्तेमाल करके आप एक एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशन बना सकते हैं. एंड इन दैट एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशन यू कैन क्रिएट लॉजिकल ड्राइव्स. फाइन. सो आई हैव जस्ट रिटन हियर, इफ प्राइमरी मैक्सिमम 4, नो एनी एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशंस कैन बी क्रिएटेड. इफ प्राइमरी मैक्सिमम 3, और यू कैन टेक one on also, extended partitions can be created. Fine. Now, what is primary, what is extended, and what is logical drive? Now, this is the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, primary partitions can be used to store data. All partitions can be used to store data. But especially primary partition is used to create booting sector at our hard disk, in which some booting files related to our operating system can be kept. हम प्राइमरी पार्टीशन का यूज डेटा रखने के लिए तो करते हैं, सारे पार्टीशन का यूज डेटा रखने के लिए करते हैं, लेकिन प्राइमरी पार्टीशन में स्पेशली हम बूटिंग सेक्टर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें कि हम अपने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के कुछ बूटिंग रिलेटेड फाइल्स को रख सकते हैं और जिसके हेल्प से हमारा कंप्यूटर बूट कर सकता है. इसलिए कम से कम एक प्राइमरी पार्टीशन हमारे कंप्यूटर में होना ही चाहिए. एक के बाद में आपको जो दिल करे वो कीजिए. आप दूसरे किसी भी ड्राइव में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट बूटिंग फाइल्स को रखने के लिए एक प्राइमरी पार्टीशन होना चाहिए. जैसे मेरे कंप्यूटर में आप जरा सा गौर करेंगे तो आपको दिखाई देगा कि चलिए जिसने भी इस मशीन को बनाया, आई हैव नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड दिस मशीन, बट इसमें देखो ये सारे के सारे ब्लू कलर क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। बॉटम में देखो,
primary partition.
primary partition. In this way you can count 1 primary, 2 primary, 3 primary, 4 primary. So I have already created 4 primary partitions. Now, can I create more partitions? Can I create extended partitions? No. As per my theoretical concept which I have given to you.
Yes.
Now, this is the unallocated space. You all can see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I am going to create one more partition at our hard disk. I have just selected it. Now right click, simple volume. Next, I'm going to take whole space 10 GB, approx 10 GB. Now drive letter will be G. Next, NTFS file system, and then fine. I'm just going to click finish. Now, I have got a warning. What is this warning? If you all can read, please read it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, this warning message is explaining that if you will proceed in that case, your this basic disk will be converted into dynamic disk. ये आपका बेसिक डिस्क जो है वो डायनेमिक डिस्क में बदल जाएगा. And one more thing, our OS, that hard disk at which we have installed the operating system should be always in basic. If it will be converted into dynamic, maybe you will not be able to boot your system next time. Maybe your OS will corrupt, or maybe your computer will be unable to load operating system. Maybe, because in some cases I have seen it is working, but in most of cases I have seen it is not working. इसलिए यहाँ पे गलती क्या है मेरी कि मैंने सारे पार्टीशंस प्राइमरी बना के रखे. Now, बेसिक डिस्क पे मैक्सिमम 3 प्राइमरी पार्टीशंस क्रिएट करो, एक एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशंस क्रिएट कर लो और उस एक्सटेंडेड के अंदर में आप मल्टीपल लॉजिकल ड्राइव्स बनाओ. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. जो को भी मैं आपको करता हूं कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं. No, actually this is my host machine. Have you heard about VMware?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I'm going to use my VMware. Now this is my Windows 7 machine. Just going to power it on. Yep. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you ever used this application, VMware?
Yes, sir. Some days ago
Yes, sir.
to boot Windows 11, sir.
Actually, I forgot the username. Just actually, I have created this machine, but right now I forgot the password and the username. Okay, fine. Fine. I'm just going to open my other machine. This machine can- Fine. Now, at this machine, I'm going to open this manager. I have done a mistake. I have just logged on with a local user. That's why it will not give us privilege. मुसीबत क्यों है? Just tell me. Okay, fine. Actually, I have used this machine for domain network. That's why it has some different logon options, some domain concepts. You will also see all these things in your server paper, Windows Server 2016. Right now, I have tried to log on with the local administrator. तो ये बातें अभी आप छोड़ दीजिएगा, which you have seen at the screen. ये एक अलग चीज है, वो कुछ नहीं था, वो डिफरेंट मैं ट्राई कर रहा था सिंपली लॉगिन हो जिससे आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन ना, बट जस्ट थिंक कि यू हैव जस्ट लॉग्ड ऑन इनटू योर पीसी एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन डेस्क मैनेजमेंट. At this time, I am able to access my hard disk. Now at this machine, I have connected multiple hard disks. So first of all, you have to see just the first hard disk 0.
Hello.
Okay.
Sir.
This is the first hard disk 0.
Sir, a problem. Hello.
Yes. If you have to ask any question, you can raise your hand. Fine, hello. Tell me.
सर डिस्क मैनेजमेंट वाला सर्च कर रहे हैं तो इसमें नहीं आ रहा.
You are searching in your own PC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are using command to open your disk management?
No, sir. I am searching on the search box given in the taskbar.
Fine. If you are searching in the search box, just to search like this disk.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
If
sir.
you are disk management,
Yes.
है ना? Now, if we are I want to create and format hard disk partitions. Fine.
Yes, yes.
Disk management.
Yes, sir. I can find here.
Okay, fine. Now, first of all, see what I am teaching all of you, what I am giving idea about the disk management. First, see. Now, at this disk, this 0, ignore these disks like I have connected this means I have connected across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra hard disks. So don't think about it. We have just only one hard disk. And at this disk, I have created only 2 partitions, and these partitions are primary.
Yes, sir.
Then, now the rest unallocated space is around 40 GB.
Yes, sir.
And at this partition, at this free space, we can create new partition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now simple volume. Now next. Now I'm going to take like
Sir, we can change the volume size.
and I'm changing it. 5,000 means approx 5 GB.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next. Now drive letter will be F.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now next. NTFS, okay. Good. Now finish. See, one more primary partition is available. Primary. Fine. In this way, I have created one primary partition. Now, again, I'm going to create one more partition. Next. Again 5 GB. Next. Now, next letter will be G. Next. And next. And then finish. What happened? My Windows 7 machine has automatically created an extended partition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now see, the color of extended partition is deep green.
Yes, sir.
And here you can see this is the deep green line. And in this deep green line, this light green color represents free space. And this light blue color represents logical drive. Say yes or no.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Means after creating 3 primary partition, Windows 7 has automatically created an extended partition by taking all free space on the hard disk. And then in that extended partition, one logical drive is available with 5 GB space, which I have given. Now we can create more drives. Like I'm just going to create,
Yes, sir.
right click, simple volume, next, sorry, not next, just 2 GB, just for practical, 2 GB, next, finish. Now fine. Now we have already 3 partitions as primary, and in extended we have created 2 more partitions, means total partitions 5. Right? We can create multiple logical drives into extended partitions. Fine. So on the basic disk, we can create only primary, extended, and within extended logical drives. And as per the size of any drive, it uses the tracks and sector value of our hard disk. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, you can also create different partitions at your hard disk. आप भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं, बनाइएगा कैसे बनता है, लेकिन हाँ कहीं भी अगर दिक्कत लगे तो फिर वहां रुक जाइए, क्योंकि अननेसेसरली आप क्या करेंगे, मोस्टली लोग ट्राई करेंगे अपनी होस्ट मशीन पे, और इन केस उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया, किसी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्राइव को डिलीट कर दिया, कुछ कर दिया, तो फिर आप मुझसे आप बोलेंगे तो फिर फिर मेरे लिए मुश्किल होगा, ठीक है। एनीवे आकाश बोलिए।
Yes, sir.
यस प्लीज।
So if you want to add the size of volume F, how can we do it?
Repeat your question please.
If we want to add the size of volume F, then how can we do it?
Means you want to extend a volume, means you want
Yes.
to increase the size of a volume.
Yes, sir.
So fine. For example, I have to just increase the size of this 2 GB drive into like I have to add 10 GB more space to this drive.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you can just right click on this drive. You will get an option extend volume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Select it. Now it will ask how much more space you would like to give. So from this I would like to give 10 GB space, 10,000. Fine. Now next, then finish. See. Extended.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
if I have to just remove, oh, by mistake, I have to extend it by only 5 GB. I have extended it by 10 GB. I have done mistake. Don't worry. Just right click on it, shrink volume, remove 5 GB space, and then click on shrink. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can easily shrink and extend, but condition applied. Condition is there must be free space at the right side of your partition. Suppose if you want to increase the size of this drive, you can't do it. You can't do it. You can't do it. But with this drive, we can extend. For example, sir, by hook or by crook, I have to extend the size of this my F drive. Okay, in that case, you will have to delete a partition just beside it, means right hand side of this partition, is like here. Then the free space from this drive or deleted drive can be added to this drive, means F drive. Suppose I have to just increase the size of this drive. For example, I'm just going to show you. Right click. I'm not getting extend volume also. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not getting extend volume. But now I have not kept any data into this drive. That's why I'm going to delete this drive. Now deleted. डिलीट कर दिया मैंने. अब ये ड्राइव है. अब देखो सारे फ्री स्पेस आ गए. अगर हम आप राइट क्लिक करेंगे देन वी कैन गेट ऑप्शन एक्सटेंड. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Fine. Yes, Shubhanshu Raj.
Yes, sir. What is the difference between free space and unallocated space?
No, both are same thing. Free space, unallocated. It's a term. Like blank partition, empty partition. Okay. In this case, this is the free space, unallocated. Fine. You are asking this question from this these two words, free space. Sudhanshu? Sudhanshu?
Or sir, there is a network problem.
Okay, no issues.
I
You are
can't hear
asking
you
your question from these two words, free space. आप इस दो शब्दों को देख करके क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. सुधांशु, ओके फाइन।
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आप, हाँ जी बच्चे, अगर मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये जो फ्री स्पेस लिखा है इसको देख के आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा बच्चे, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा फर्क हो जाता है। फर्क इसलिए, बस थोड़ा सा सेंस का फर्क है। फर्क इसलिए क्योंकि जितनी भी मेरी अनअलोकेटेड स्पेस थी उन सबको डाल दिया गया है कहाँ? एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशन के अंदर में।
Yes, sir.
अब उस एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशन में से हमने जो यूज किया है वो तो इतना ही किया है, अभी भी इतना फ्री है। तो ये स्पेस फ्री है, चाहे वो अनअलोकेटेड हो या फ्री हो, बात एक ही होती है। लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सीन चेंज हो गया है क्योंकि ये जो स्पेस है 30 GB, ये किसी को अलोकेट हो गई है लेकिन अनयूज्ड है। वो किसको अलोकेट हुई है? तो एज ए एक्सटेंडेड पार्टीशन वो अलोकेट हुई। ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
या प्रिंस?
Sir, both of them can be used for extension purpose.
Yeah, both of them can be used to extend any partition, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
यस सर, मैंने अपने सी ड्राइव का सर पार्टीशन किया एंड मैंने
You
ई
have
ड्राइव
created a
बनाया।
partition
यस सर,
in C drive.
सर सी का मैंने पार्टीशन किया तो ई ड्राइव मेरा क्रिएट हुआ सर, उसको मैंने एलोकेट भी कर लिया। बट मैं अगेन चाहता हूँ कि वो मतलब सर मेरे सी ड्राइव पे रिवर्स हो जाए, बट ऐसा ऑप्शन हो नहीं रहा सर, एक्सटेंड का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा।
Listen, you have just created C drive. Fine. I'm trying to understand your question. You have
Okay, sir.
created C drive.
यस सर,
Okay.
एंड आई एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम सी। सर मैंने सी ड्राइव से मतलब उसका स्पेस कम करके एक और नया लोकल डिस्क बनाया सर।
अच्छा, इसको आपने shrink कर दिया, means like
ओके,
that.
यस
You
सर,
have shrink the volume.
यस सर,
And
Sir.
after syncing, you have got some free space just beside C drive,
यस
just
सर,
right hand side of C drive, right?
यस सर,
But if you have free space on your right side, you are unable to extend your C drive. Yes, like this. I'm just going to sync my volume. Okay, it has only 19 GB. It will take time also. Yeah, Prince. Fine.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
just going to extract 2 GB space from this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now shrink. Yes. Now I have unallocated space.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to extend myself. Yes. I'm just giving answer to a question.
You continue, sir.
Sir, please continue.
Fine. Now we are getting option to
But
extend this
in my
drive.
system, sir, this option is not
It's
available.
okay in your system, but actual concept is this. In that
Okay.
case, I will have to see your system, what is,
Yes, sir.
going on.
Yes, sir.
But as per my concept, I'm putting some examples before you. I'm
Yes,
able
sir.
to do it. Okay, so please check it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, in next class, we will study about the dynamic test. Not at the practical, because the practical will be covered in your summer paper.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Now time is going to be up, bache. So I will clear your doubts in next class.
Okay, sir.
You can ask any question in next class if you have any doubt related to basic disk and hard disk. Okay. Sorry for today. So now I'm going to conclude my lecture. Actually, I have connected these hard disks for the dynamic disk practicals. So we will cover these practicals in our server paper. I have just given you idea how to create partitions at basic disk because it is very useful for you to manage your storage device, manage your hard disk at your own computer. Okay. So fine. Thank you, everybody. I'm just going to stop my sharing. And just
Thank you,
1
sir.
minute because time is going to be up.
Sir, attendance.
Yes. Don't worry.